if you want the source code, the link in the description below, and if you would like a tutorial on it, just comment below and make sure to subscribe. This site is fully responsive and using the modern UI, and it built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And if I just show you the code, it just likely look like this. You're getting it. So already a lot of lines of code, and I already have given the link in the descriptions for the source code. So yep, you can learn from it if you're a beginner, or you can just modify it or whatever you just want. Use it in a good way. Don't try to use it in any bad way or something like that. Thank you for this. Bye.